In this video, we'll show you how to replace an old wood or clad window with our 8027 tear-out replacement window. This system removes all rotted parts and installs a new, rot-proof vinyl unit without disturbing your home's exterior. We'll start with the existing window, walk through the full installation, and finish with a clean, completed look. Let's get started. To measure for the 8027, simply record the exterior, brick mold to brick mold dimensions of the existing window. MGM will handle all deductions for a proper fit. Measure width at the top, middle, and bottom. Use the smallest measurement. Measure height at the left, center, and right. Use the smallest measurement. Always list width first, then height. Step 1 in removing the existing window is to carefully score the caulk or paint where it meets the window frame. This helps prevent damage to surrounding painted surfaces during the removal of the old window unit and trim. Step 2. Remove the interior blind stop. The blind stop is a narrow strip of wood located on the inside of the window frame. It holds the sash, the movable part of the window, in place, and must be carefully removed to access the sash. Step 3. Remove the exterior brick mold. The exterior brick mold is the trim that surrounds the outside of the window frame. Carefully remove this molding to fully expose the window frame and allow for the removal or replacement of the window unit. Step 4. Cut interior trim nails. Use a saw or multi-tool to carefully cut any nails, securing the interior trim to the window frame. This helps detach the trim cleanly without damaging the surrounding woodwork. Step 5. Remove upper and lower sashes. Installers take out both sashes, jam liners, and balances in one motion, made easy with the interior stop and exterior brick mold already removed. With the sashes out, you'll clearly see the remaining wood jams, head, and sill, often where the worst rot or damage is found. Step 6. Remove the stool. Begin by cutting the nails driven down into the sill from the stool. Next, carefully separate the interior trim from the stool using a pry tool or utility knife. Take extra care during removal, especially if you plan to reuse the stool and preserve the existing interior trim. Step 7. Separate jams from sill. At the point where the jams meet the sill, make a clean cut using an oscillating tool or a reciprocating saw. This cut will allow you to separate the jams from the sill effectively. Take care to follow the joint line closely for a precise cut, which will make removal easier and help preserve surrounding structural elements. Step 8. Carefully remove the window jams, head, and sill. Take your time during this process to avoid damaging the surrounding framing or drywall. This step ensures the entire window unit is cleared out, leaving a clean and open space for the new installation. Step 9. Clean the framed opening. Remove all debris, fasteners, and insulation from the opening to ensure nothing interferes with the new window. Scrape off old caulk or silicone from the brick, just enough to make it flat. Full removal isn't necessary, as the new trim will cover the joint. Step 10. Pre-fit the new window unit. Carefully place the new window unit into the existing opening to check for proper fit. Ensure the unit sits square and flush within the frame with no major gaps or obstructions. Step 11. Apply sealant. Apply a 3/8-inch bead of silicone around the perimeter of the opening where the nail fin will sit. Fill any gaps in the sheeting to ensure a solid, sealed surface. Step 12. Set the new window into the opening, making sure it makes solid contact with the silicone and sheeting for a proper seal. Ensure the side jams are fully seated, either flush with the existing drywall or aligned with the interior trim, for a clean, finished look. Step 13. Use a piece of the provided brick mold to help center the window in the opening, ensuring it provides adequate coverage on both the left and right sides, as well as across the top. Step 14. Remove the sash stops from the top and bottom jams to access screw placement. Install 4 screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, behind the stops to keep them hidden and maintain smooth window operation. Use screws that penetrate at least 1 inch into the structural framing. As you secure the window, center it by aligning the brick mold with the exterior and checking interior sight lines. Once installed, confirm smooth operation and clean, aligned sightlines. Step 15. Trim the interior stool to eliminate the offset, ensuring a flush fit, and then reinstall it securely. Step 16. Take precise measurements for the installation of the exterior brick mold to ensure a proper fit and clean finish. Step 17. Cut the exterior brick mold and assemble the two side jambs and head with mitered corners to form an upside-down U-shape. Nail or screw the corners together. If needed, rip a filler piece from the extra brick mold and attach it under the sill to create a complete box frame. Step 18. Install the U or box-shaped brick mold around the window to cover the gap and conceal the nailing fin. Use pre-drilled holes or trim nails, ensuring fasteners reach the framing, not just the sheathing. Step 19. Seal between the window brick mold and brick using UV-resistant 100% silicone. Step 20. Caulk the joint between the window and the interior trim and stool for a finished sealed look. We hope this instructional video gave you the guidance you need for a successful 80/27 window installation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact your outside sales representative. We are always here to help.